Hi traders, today is 10 of 10 of October 2019. We are now live day trading crude oil market WTI NYMEX CLX 9 November contract 2019. So in this video I'll show you how I do day trading. This at this moment we are in the market for London session signal, which is I go for buy position at 52.72 on the average. There's a 2 lot in position at this moment, and the first TP is at 53.07. It's not far, and the second TP is above here. So from my live signal broadcast, I did mention that the order will be at 52.70, and the TP target is 53.49. So from this, we are on the bullish. Order already filled about 1 hour ago. So this is a live signal broadcast from my channel, so you can feel free to click the link in the description below. So you are in a good position, positive 190 US dollar. This is from London session signal, and we are about 2 hours before the US session, and it looks good so far. And based from my signal, the TP is 53.49. So I queue for the first position at 53.07. So the second TP will be at 53.48 or 49. So this is my second TP. Okay, let's take a look. Looks good at this moment. Total profit is around 210. Let's take a look on the volume. As you can see, there's a large volume can be seen at multiple price level, which is at 50 to 92 here, 53.00. This is a common 53.11. So it looks good. So that's been now in the good directions. So in 1 minute's time, the market will go for another candle. So I assume that the market will spike quickly. So the total profit now is 270. That's good. So I will open on the smaller time frame, much more easier to be seen. Okay. Okay, looks like the nearest breakout is somewhere here. Looks good as expected. Time now is 8 a.m. New York time. Total profit now is 430. Let's keep climbing, hopefully. So there's a large volume, typical large volume at 53.00. The second large volume at 53.11. So let me suggest here. So I've advised to exit earlier if they want. Well, there's some traders follow my signal. So if want to remain, they may remain to the second TP level, which is at 53.47 or 48.49. So looks good so far. We're in the positive side. So we may need, maybe we can change the stop loss to the safer side, so we don't take a much more risk on this trade. So price now is around 20 ticks above our entry level. It looks good. It's a good candle which clearly seen a bullish movement. I still can find there's a large number of volume waiting here. This is good for our side because we are on the bullish movement, so perhaps this will push the price to further up. 500, 530 US dollar in profit. It looks good at this moment. We are not far from our first TP, about 10 ticks. So it's clearly looks bullish at this moment. Total profit now is 550. Okay, the market keep climbing. Is positive for us. So by the way, there's a link below in my description. Feel free to click on it. Okay, price spike. Now 600 in profit. The first TP is 53.07. Still bullish on the market. Price now stagnant at 53.00. That's where the large volume just now. So the second large volume appeared at 53.12, 155. At this price level. Okay, 4 ticks away. This is my first TP for the first lot, and the second lot is around 49 or 47, 48, about that area. Okay, might hit. Okay, we hit the first TP. So you can see the first profit 380. Well, looks good. Okay, there's a second large volume waiting here, 53.11. I have one more lot. On the larger time frame, it looks pretty neat for the bullish movement. Hopefully the price will not reverse back. This is what I'm expecting at this moment. Then hopefully it will go further up and hit the second target of the TP. Price remain stagnant at this moment. You can see a flat for a while, and I got one more lot, and hopefully I can go further up. That's the target. But it seems the market on the bullish price movement, and there is increasing in price level of the Q here at 53.12, 148. It's quite high. 53.10, 106. So I believe on 53.40 or 53.60. There is also a high volume waiting over there. So there's a pullback on the current price situation. Hopefully will not fall far below 50 to 80. So I will remove my stop loss as a trailing stop. So now it's 50 to 57, which is around 17 ticks minus. Okay, we continue on the bullish movement. So total profit now is 770. It looks good. 750, 760. Keep bullish. So the TP target is not far at this price level. Okay, this is where we enter just now, and the price try to move to our second TP target. Was a good one, reaching 53.17, 53.18. About 30 more ticks to reach 53.47. So maybe I might exit earlier, since the profit is more than enough at this moment. So total profit now is 830. And price keep climbing up. Looks good. Okay, there's a large volume waiting at 53.30. And the volume about 99 or 101 just now at 53.30. So I might exit at that price level there. Also large volume at 53.45. I think I will immediately exit. It's good enough at this moment. So I think target is 53.29. So I will exit here. So as for my live signal broadcast, I have to revise. Okay, just update my live signal. So 53.29. So we can go back to the charting. Okay, it's quite interesting why there is a large volume here. 53.17, 179, as you can see here. It's quite healthy. And now the price on the sideways movement, we are entering the US session. Looks good. Now the volume kick in because of the high volatility of US session, and we will exit any moment. So I will exit at 810, 800. So 800 total in profit. So it's done today. 800 in profit. Looks good. Okay, for the I think the market will go further up, but should be enough for now. I mean my target for daily profit. So today profit is around 800. Was a good one. So time now is 9:01 a.m. in the morning New York time. So we'll stop our trading for today, and we'll close the chart. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.